Plastic pollution. We hear about it in the ocean, on distant shores. But what about right here in Newark? What happens when something so small, so invisible, starts affecting something as vital as our health? In Newark, single-use plastics are everywhere. Bags, wrappers, bottles. They clog our storm drains, litter our parks, and flow down into the Passaic River. The Passaic River has long been one of the most contaminated waterways in the country. Industrial waste, mercury, dioxins, and now plastic. But it's not just bottles or bags anymore. The real danger lies in what you can't see. Microplastics. Microplastics are plastic particles smaller than 5 millimeters, about the size of a sesame seed, and sometimes as small as a single cell. These tiny fragments are created when plastic waste breaks down from sun exposure, wind, and water. They end up in our rivers, in our food, and now, inside us. A 2025 study by the University of New Mexico Health Science Center revealed something shocking. Microplastics were found in every human brain sample the researchers examined. On average, the human brain now contained about 7 micrograms of plastic per gram of tissue, totaling over 7 grams of plastic in a full brain. That's about the weight of a plastic spoon. Even more alarming, that's a 50% increase from just 8 years ago. These microplastics don't just sit there. They can cross the blood-brain barrier in under 2 hours, according to lab models. Once inside, they may spark inflammation, interfere with neurological signals, and potentially contribute to conditions like dementia. In fact, the study found that people with dementia had up to 10 times more plastic particles in their brains than those without. In a city like Newark, where asthma and cancer rates are already higher than the state average, the environmental injustice runs deep. This is terrifying. Most plastic in Newark isn't recycled, it's burned. Incineration releases toxic chemicals into the air, including dioxins, which are linked to cancer and developmental issues. So even if you never touch plastic, you're still breathing it. But there is hope. Since New Jersey's plastic bag ban in 2022, Newark has kept over 90 million plastic bags out of circulation every year. Community groups are hosting river cleanups, schools are educating students about sustainability, young people are stepping up. It's clear, change isn't just possible, it's already happening, but it needs to grow. Because plastic doesn't disappear, it doesn't break down, it breaks into us, from the Passaic River to our dinner plates to our own minds. This is our city, our river, our future. And if we don't act now, we'll be leaving more than plastic behind. We'll be leaving a legacy of health risks we're only beginning to understand. The solution isn't somewhere else, it's right here. In our choices, in our actions. The future of Newark is in our hands.